Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 8th grade concept of surface area. This is standard 8.7b in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 38 off the 2017 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a rectangular prism, looks kind of like a cube, but you can tell the lengths are a little bit different. We're simply looking for the total surface area. We're not looking for the volume. So that's the amount of surface area on the outside here. And so when we're looking for our surface area equations, we need to make sure we're looking for the prism. If we try to use the one for cylinder here, we're gonna run into some problems. And so there are two different types of surface area, and they kind of build on each other. So the first one is the lateral surface area. And what that one says is that it is the perimeter times the height. Now, the perimeter needs to be the perimeter of the base. You see, each of these four sides of the base, what they do is they touch our four connecting rectangles, and that's the lateral surface areas that are the connecting, just the four connecting surface areas, rectangles. But the perimeter touches all four sides. So if you take all four sides of the perimeter and then you multiply that by the height, well, each of these four sides times the height, that's going to get you four surface areas. So if we want the total surface area, right? So let's see what that's going to look like first. The total surface area is going to need us to add the two bases, and we'll grab that in a sec. But let's get our perimeter times our height. So the perimeter is going to be 7.5. We're going to double that, right? Times 2. And then our 5, and we're going to double that. So that's going to be 15 plus 10. All right, so that's an easy 25. So our perimeter for the base there is 25. And if we want to do our perimeter times our height, that's going to be 25 times our height of 6.5. All right, so let's get our calculators out. 6.5 times 25, that's going to be 162.5. Now that is our lateral surface area, 162.5 inches squared. But we're not looking just for that. We are looking for our total. So how do you find the total surface area? Well, right now, all I found is the surface area of these four connecting faces. Here's the front right here. What I need now are the top and the bottom base. But I need to include those four. So it's the perimeter times the height, which I've already gotten, plus my two bases. So that's why finding the lateral surface area helps. So my perimeter times my height, I've already figured that out. That's 162.5 plus, I need to just find 2 times the base. So the base is going to be the area of this base right here. That's length times width. So that's 7.5 times 5. All right, so let's see. 7.5 times 5 is 37.5. So that's 2 times 37.5. So let's double that. So I've got 75. All right, so my lateral surface area is a 162.5. My two bases, because I need to find top and bottom, is 75. So if I add those two together, there we go. We are going to get our total surface area. So here's my lateral right here. Here's my two bases right here, and add them up, and you get 237.5. So we need to bubble this in, because we don't have F, G, H, or J to choose from. So here's your skinny decimal that you're not going to use. You've got 2 digits to the right, so we're going to put a 5 right there. You don't need to put anything in that hundredth spot. If you put a 0 there, it's not going to hurt, but there's no need to put there. You're going to put your 237, bubble in the numbers below, and you are good to go.